In this video, I'm going to tell you about 10 gifts for cross stitchers they won't already have. Hey there, this is Sarah with the Notorious Needle, and I want to help you break the rules so you can stitch whatever you want. Do you cross stitch and you don't know what to tell your significant other to get you for the holidays? Or do you have a favorite cross stitcher in your life and you're not sure what they're gonna want? Stick around, I'm gonna show you 10 gifts for cross stitchers that they won't already have. Coming in at number 1, mini travel thread clippers. These tiny thread clippers are TSA approved for travel within the United States. They come with a little cover for safety and you can wear them around your neck as a necklace. And some of the designs come with a little charm for knitting markers. I found these on Etsy at the Sexy Knitter shop, and you can use code TEAMSEXY for 10% off anything in the shop. I will put the link down below. Number 2, a 3-in-1 needle threader. This needle threader will work for all kinds of threads. You have a tiny filament for small threads, a little hook for medium threads, and a large hook for yarn. Comes in very handy. Number 3, a DMC stranded cotton shade card. This little beauty is so important if you're using DMC embroidery threads. DMC is the largest and most well-known manufacturer of embroidery threads, and a lot of patterns, I know for certain cross-stitch patterns, call out the DMC numbers for threads. This has all the threads listed in it. And a guide at the end. Even has all the shiny threads listed. You want to make sure that you get the card that has the actual samples of thread on them. There is a printed version, but I have found that the printed version is sometimes hard to see. It's glossy in places and reflects light, so the colors don't look the same. This one has the real thread samples in it. This is the one you're gonna want. Number 4, a magnifying glass with LED light. So you might already have a magnifier and you might already have a light, but do you have a light and a magnifier combination? The one that I use is no longer available. I found this 3-in-1 LED light with a magnifier on Amazon. Let me tell you, having bright lights and a magnifier, your eyes will sigh with relief. Number 5, Stitchable Mesh. There's this cross-stitch fad lately where people like to stitch on tulle or other translucent or transparent fabrics. That stuff is really hard to work with. It is so delicate, it breaks, and then all your hard work is gone. You have to start over. Now, this Stitchable Mesh, this is also by DMC, is metallic, so it has that extra shine. And you know, I love the sparkly stuff. One side has this beautiful golden sheen, and the other side is silver. It's much more durable than tulle, but still has that transparent wow factor. An Audible subscription. You may be wondering, what the heck does that have to do with cross stitch? It's tangential. A lot of stitchers find it difficult to try to watch TV while they're stitching, and Audible provides audio-only entertainment while your eyes and hands are occupied with your embroidery. It's a real joy to be able to listen and stitch without missing anything. Number 7, a DIY tree ornament. Do you know what an ort jar is? Ort is O-R-T, affectionately known as odd random threads or odd ratty threads in the embroidery world. It's just the leftover threads that we've clipped off as we've gone through projects, and some of us save them for unknown reasons. A fun, useful, sentimental way of preserving these threads is to place them in a DIY tree ornament. These clear tree ornaments are inexpensive and can be found at many craft stores, and a fun idea would be to simply place the orts in the ornament and maybe put a label for the year. Number 8, a giant cone of embroidery floss. No one could ever use that much embroidery floss, I'm hearing you say. I beg to differ. My only regret is that I didn't buy one of these guys sooner. DMC puts out giant cones of embroidery floss, and they also have medium-sized cones in every color. And of course, I bought this on Amazon. I love Amazon. Hear me out. This is a lot of embroidery thread, but if you have an avid stitcher, you will use it eventually. Number 9, the gift of organization. How many of us have craft rooms that sort of come overflowing and take over the house? It's crazy. Well, I've got a few ideas for organization. If you go to my resources page at notoriousneedle.com/resources, I show you several little tools that help you organize. But my favorite organizer lately has been the small floral storage box from DMC. This was a surprise early birthday present. Yay, thank you, Oscar. It has the little DMC logo on the snap here, which opens right up. And inside, you have this tray with several pockets, and then this tray comes right out, and inside you have a storage compartment that's big enough to hold pieces of Aida cloth or a couple projects, and maybe, if you don't mind, folding your paper patterns. This is available on the DMC website. I haven't seen it anywhere else. No, I am not a DMC affiliate. I just really like this stuff. Number 10, the limited edition gold thread by DMC. And I don't just mean gold in color, and no, I don't just mean gold metallic. I mean gold floss. DMC golden skeins feature a 24 karat gold wash. Each is individually numbered and includes a certificate of authenticity. Only 17,460 have been made. They come in this beautiful box embossed in gold leaf, packed by hand, and including a 24-page book telling the story of DMC's 270-year history. This is the perfect gift for any stitcher who, like me, has to have all the threads. Bonus idea, you can always gift a Notorious Needle pattern found on the Notorious Needle Etsy shop. No excuses, now you know what to get your favorite stitcher. So which of these 10 cross-stitcher gifts are you thinking about getting for someone else? And which one do you think you're getting for you? Let me know in the comments below. Stitch on!